Okay, so here we go, beginning the drawing process. So the very first thing in your drawing you need to look for is there any enclosed shapes or geometric regular shapes that you can draw first using the shape tool up the top here. Okay, so you can get this little drop down. I can see with Tilly's drawing here, we have a rectangle that is an easy shape to draw straight away. So you can see first of all it gives me this grey block, but I want this to be transparent and empty. So over the right side here we can see fills, so that's filling our shape. I'm going to click the little bin because I don't want any fills, but what I do want is a black border around that rectangle. So we click this little plus sign to add a border. And then I'm going to turn it up to, let's try out 4 pixels. So 4 pixels and enter. Alright, so I like the thickness we've got there, so I'm going to stick with that one. Then I'm going to go through and see if there's any other shapes I can draw. So I can see I've got some circles here, which I'm going to do next. Clicking that drop down, we've got circles. Again, keeping this in proportion, I need to hold shift before dragging the shape of my circle. Okay, so I've got the circle there I want. So I'm going to click on that. Then I can do Command or Control C and then Command V, which is copy and paste. And it's actually just pasted another one directly on top. So again, I'm holding shift. I'm going to drag out, hold shift again, drag out the other way, and then I'm going to line these up. And it gives you these little smart guides we can see here to let me know I've lined them up exactly. I'm going to do the same again, copy and paste in the same place, and then I'm going to drag out on either side again. Then I'm going to move these, wait for my smart guides, and that's lined up. So there we have it. We've got our shapes done. Next thing to look for is any straight lines. So you can see on this drop down here, I've got this line tool. Okay, so I can see these straight lines here. I'm going to draw that one in. I need to put it to 4 pixels so it's the same width as my other lines. Same thing again. I'm going to do it for this side. Again, sometimes it doesn't save what you've just used, so you have to put in the pixels again. Again, the same over this side. Now I'm just going to copy and paste that one. So it's all about just being strategic, copy and pasting things that you can. So there we go. Okay, so if I go to my layers over here now, my 2 at the bottom are the images I dragged in. I'm just going to click this little eye to hide the background image to see how my drawing's going. So if we click that, we can see now I've got this one here that I might add that I'm missing. And I can drag that in. I don't want them hanging over the edge. So you can see that's my drawing so far, that I've just used shapes and straight lines. Okay, the next step I'm going to show you is how to draw curved lines. Okay,